Tip Cymraeg yr wythnos, Welsh language tip of the week. Ar wythnos hon, da ni am canolbwyntio ar arddodiad, and this week we'll be focusing on prepositions. Beth ydy arddodiad? What is a preposition? Wel, mae arddodiad yn dangos y berthynas rhwng gair ac enw neu'r ragenw. A preposition is all those small words that we find in a sentence, and they show the relationship between a word and a noun or a pronoun. Dyma rhai enghreifftiau. Here are some examples. Roedd y dyn yn aros ar y platfform. The man was waiting on the platform. Y perthynas rhwng y dyn a'r platform, the relationship between the man and the platform, is that he was ar y platform. Cyrhaeddodd hi ar ôl cinio. She arrived after dinner. So again, the relationship between the he, the she, and dinner is that it was after, ar ôl, after. Mae'r ffilm yn dechrau mewn awr. The movie or the film starts in an hour. Mewn, in an, or in a. Mae sawl arddodiad gwahanol yn gallu dilyn y berfenw mynd. Many different prepositions can follow the verb mynd, meaning to go. Ond heddiw, da ni am canolbwyntio ar ddau sy'n cael ei defnyddio'n anghywir. But today we'll be focusing on two which are often misused. Mynd AT and Mynd I. Both mean to go to. But Mynd AT is used if it's followed by a person, so to go to a person. And Mynd I if it's followed by a place, a lle. Mynd at a nurse, to go to the nurse. Mynd I, Gaernarfon, to go to Caernarfon. After at and I, mae treiglad meddal, a soft mutation occurs. Here's 4 examples of sentences. Pause the screen now to see if you can place at or I in the blank. So read the sentence. Is it a person or is it a place? Gan ni weld yr atebion. Let's have a look at the atebion. Mi fydda i'n mynd at y deintydd bore fory. I will be going to the dentist tomorrow morning. So although it's not someone's enw, name, the dentist is still a person. So people's careers, if you like, they still count as a person. So at a deintydd rather than I y deintydd or i'r deintydd. I will be going to the dentist tomorrow morning. Dwi am fynd I Lanelli ar fy ngwyliau. I'm going to go to Llanelli on my holiday. You'll notice that Llanelli has softly mutated treigl feddal I Lanelli. Mae'r claf am fynd i'r ysbyty I weld y meddyg. The patient is going to the hospital to see the doctor. Again, ysbyty, hospital is a place, so we use I. The apostrophe R is the, i'r ysbyty, to the hospital. Ar ôl yr apwyntiad, mae'r claf yn mynd at Dr. Jones am gyngor. After the appointment, the patient is going to Dr. Jones for advice. Am gyngor. You might recognise the word cyngor, meaning council. Cyngor Gwynedd, Gwynedd Council, for example. Gai ddiolch, can I thank Cyngor Gwynedd a Nant Gwrtheuyn am yr awgrym o tip Cymraeg y mis. Can I thank Cyngor Gwynedd a Nant Gwrtheuyn for the Welsh language tip of the week this week. Os hoffech chi unrhyw gymorth efo'ch gramadeg, if you'd like any support with your Welsh language grammar, dwi'n hapus I helpu. I'm happy to help. Diolch yn fawr iawn am wrando. Hwyl fawr.